Hi, this is Edith, Instructional and Innovation Trainer at Klamath Community College, and in this video I'm going to go over how to connect with somebody who does not have Skype for Business installed on their computer. I've already set up a meeting in my calendar. This is what the meeting would look like on your calendar. It's just like any other type of appointment that you would have. I can double click it open, and I can join the meeting from here. If you have alerts set up for your ID number account, that will also be another way that you can access the link to get into the Skype for Business meeting. The other thing I could do is go into the Skype for Business application, go to my Meetings tab, and double click on that, and it will open up the meeting. I'm going to show you the participants' email at this point. If I go in here, this is what the email will look like. This is a Gmail invite. This was sent to a Gmail account. So I would get this little extra added benefit to add it to my Google Calendar if I wanted to do that. You can write instructions in on the invite that if you don't have Skype for Business, please use the web app. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on that and go into the web application. They will be prompted to download this quick little plugin, so go ahead and click on that. Once it's finished downloading, they will click on it and run it. Here's where they will sign in. Now, if you have specifics of how you want them to sign in, you can add that into the email as well for the invite that you sent out. In this case, I'm going to use my name at web app, and I'm going to click join. If they have Skype for Business, they can join this way, but we're looking at the web app at this point. Now you can see I have two windows. This is my main window right here, and this is my other window as a guest. That's me right here. You will know that you are the primary person because your picture will be smaller than the other individuals. So if you have an individual that does not have Skype for Business, this is how they can join a meeting with the web application using a browser. It works in any browser. So if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, feedback, please feel free to contact me. My email is warden@klamathcc.edu, extension 340. You can also find me on Skype for Business between the hours of 7 and 4. Just type in my name and look for me. Thank you and have a great day.